How did these things start? Kind of what set this all off?
Well, yeah, about a month ago, United Airlines had its earnings call, and it kind of suggested it wasn't going to back down when discount airlines like Frontier and Spirit Airlines said that they were going to discount their airfares. And so investors kind of got spooked when United said it was going to start matching fares, and they worried that fare matching might spread throughout the industry. And in fact, over the last month or two, you've seen American and Southwest Airlines also matching fares. And that's kind of got everybody on edge, at least in the investor world.
And what Delta now came out and cut its third quarter guidance for revenue for each seat flown a mile. So it does look like it's having an effect already, right, on these companies' margins.
It is. Yeah, Delta this morning came out and cut its unit revenue. That's a kind of measure of how much it earns per mile. It cut it quite a bit, and it also cut its operating margin for the third quarter. So yes, it does appear that it's having some impact, although Delta's got some issues regarding fuel cost also is up considerably. So that was something sort of unrelated to the competition that's also weighing on things.
Michael, when these types of price wars start to happen in the airline industry historically, how long do they last? I mean, these things are sort of cyclical, right? Do they sort of become permanent for a longer period of time?
Well, if you look at what happened a couple years ago, American started a price war about 2 years ago, and it caused a sort of ripple effect around the industry that kind of sagged on fares across the industry. It lasted over a year, and investors largely stayed away from the airline sector for well over a year. And so finally, about 6 months ago or so, things started improving. Airfare started increasing. Investors started coming back to the industry. And now it looks like maybe airlines are starting to discount again. So that's, these things come and go, but the last one lasted well over a year.